The daily payouts offered by Take Profit Trader is like the best thing since they put pockets in pants. You know what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? To be able to make money and withdraw it daily through Take Profit Trader, you know, that's like the best thing since sliced bread, right? Is anybody following me with that? You know what I mean? You no waiting, no shenanigans. You just make the money and you can take it. And that's why we love Take Profit Trader. And it's just, it's a major thing, all right? Daily payouts is a major thing. Now, I've said this before, I am biased because I have only used Take Profit Trader as my prop firm. But I do research, okay? And me and my wife, we are in all these little Facebook groups, just kind of incognito. I just want to see what other people are going through in other prop firms, all right? So I just want to say, we were in this group. Listen to this message from a member of another prop firm. 20 green days of reading. I don't know what reading is. I'm just reading this message just as it is. 20 green days of reading, 1 red day, and it broke the 30% daily rule by 282. I don't know what that is. This is something to this prop firm. Still up 4K. He's saying he's still up 4K though. Still up 4K, so I can come back having learned before making my first trade of the day to have a sticky note showing the 30% to prevent that from ever happening again. What is this 30%? What are these shenanigans, right? This man is up 4K right now in his prop firm challenge, and he can't take the money. That's all I'm saying. Picking the right prop firm is important because once you get there, you want to be able to take daily payouts when you want to, all right? It's already hard enough to get there. And if you've been struggling just to pass a funded challenge, grab my free guide, Finally Funded. It will truly help you. Just comment below, give me the guide. I'll send that right over to you. Because, you know, passing a funded challenge is really just the beginning, all right? After you pass, then you got to stay funded, you got to get to the buffer, you got to get funded, all that good stuff, right? But to be in the money, right? This guy is up 4K and some rinky-dink 30% rule, right? None of that at Take Profit Trader, okay? No 30% rule, right? None of that. Daily payouts, which is obviously better than whatever this company got going on. But here's the thing. Those are just a few. I mean, that's just one example there. I'm sure I could come up with others. But I want to speak to the trader business person who's watching this video right now. Because you're not just a trader, you're a business owner. If you are in the trading game and you're running through hey, don't let these prop firms fool you. They're not the only one with a business. You're a business too. And you need to make business decisions when picking a prop firm. I'm gonna tell you right now, Take Profit Trader is not the cheapest up front. They are not, okay? If it costs me $100 to take a challenge, there's a ton of prop firms that I could take that same challenge at $20. I'm not saying Take Profit Trader is the cheapest up front. What I'm saying is their benefits in the back end are probably superior to most prop firms. So yeah, I may pay a little bit more to take the challenge, right? But after I pass the challenge, number one benefit, no more monthly fees, all right? And remember, I'm a business owner. That is important to me. Other prop firms, you may have that monthly fee, whatever it is, that may be there for good, whether you're funded or not. That monthly fee is just part of it. And a lot of traders, business owners, they just accept that as overhead, all right? They just accept that as an expense that has to be paid, which is true. You can do that, or you can come to Take Profit Trader. And when you pass your funded challenge, the monthly stops. That's a major benefit. If you are with a prop firm that's paying monthly, that you have to pay monthly fees no matter what, and I'm with Take Profit Trader, and we both trade for 12 months straight, all right? I am going to make more money simply based on having a lower overhead. We're just talking about overhead because you may be a better trader than me and may make more profits. But as far as running your business, as far as the expense to run your trading company, you're paying more over 12 months than me. Let's say we both start in January, we both passed the test in January, and your prop firm is charging you still, let's say you went cheap, right? So you still paying $25 a month. All right, let's just say 25 to make it easy. All right, hey, that's only $300. So yeah, It's not a lot to write home about, but that's if you only got one account. Most people do this, they're gonna go get 10, 20 accounts. And you do that, you get 20 accounts at $25 a month. Now you're talking about $560 a month. But if you're making money, you just look at this as an overhead, right? But hey, did I do that math right? Yeah, $560 a month. No, wait a minute. Yeah, because most people got 20 accounts times $25 an account. That's $500, right? Times 12. All right, you're gonna spend $6,000 that I get to save simply because Take Profit Trader does not charge a monthly fee. So right out the gate, as soon as you pass your challenge, you're going to be in a better shape. Now, yeah, I may have had to pay $100 and you had to pay $25. So I lost $75 out the gate, but look how much I make in the long run because there's no monthly fee. I mean, hey, there's a method to all my madness. I do things for a reason. I'm running a business. Hey, I'm a business man. Matter of fact, hey, I ain't even gonna quote it. Listen, I'm running a business here. I'm looking for any deal I can find. That's an awesome deal. That was number one. Number two, and this is the reason you're watching this video, because you want to get to those daily payouts. Let's just say you start with a 100K account. 6,000 is what you need to get funded. Then 3,000 is what you need to get past the buffer. Now, everything past that, you are making 80%, people. And let's say you get there, you're past the buffer, and you make $2,000 on a Tuesday. Guess what? You snatch it. Then let's say the very next day, Wednesday, you make $2,000. Guess what? You can snatch it. Let's say you're up $4,000, like the person I read in that text, and you up $4,000 and you want to go to Disney. Hey, I can snatch that $4,000 off, right? My man here sounds like he got to trade 21 days straight without losing 30% or something to get the money he's already made. Listen, people, since I've been in this prop firm game, because I ain't been in it long, I be getting emails every day from firms I ain't never heard about, all right? And I be looking into them just to see if Take Profit is the king. To me, they're the king, right? But I found a company yesterday, man, they were like unlimited resets. You can get funded on first day. Hey, it was like everything was great till I went to the site and they was like, yeah, all this for $33, as little as $33 a day. I like $33 a day. Let's do the math on that. $33 times 30 days. I was like, oh, they want $9.90 out the gate. So this prop firm I ain't never heard of before. They want you to drop $9.90 out the gate, and their website was trash, probably spammy. They want you to drop $9.90 out the gate. Now they're gonna give you unlimited resets. That's pretty nice, and you can get funded. They said you can get funded on day one, but I don't know if this company gonna pay out. So hey, my point is this: I got a lot of companies coming at me. They talking about this company sounded great until I saw that you was going to put up $9.90 up front. When I can put up $100 up front with Take Profit Trader, pass the challenge in for a week, get to the buffer. I mean, I can get to the money faster with less headache. And when I get there, I start saving money. No more fee. I can snatch off whenever I want. You just can't beat it. So if you're in the market to get a prop firm, look at Take Profit Trader. The major benefit, once you get funded, no more fee and daily payouts. I mean, the best thing since sliced bread is Take Profit Trader's daily payout, people. I mean, just to be able to go to the market, if I make $5,000 a day, I can snatch it off. That is awesome. And I mean, when you snatch it off, it's to your bank by the next day. I'm not talking about we snatch it off, then you wait a week. No. If I do a deposit, if I do a withdrawal on Tuesday, that money is in my bank on Wednesday. That's Take Profit Trader daily payouts. All right. So I hope this one helps you. And again, if you're just struggling at all, you may be struggling just to pass a challenge right now where I'm talking about all this other stuff. If that's your situation, grab my free guide, Finally Funded. Just comment below, give me the guide, and I'm gonna send that over to you, and it will help you possibly get over that hump. All right. So we're just gonna look at I'm gonna go to some charts, do a real short chart lesson, because I'm actually just gonna piggyback on what I taught in the last video. Some people thought I was crazy. The market cycle is so serious, and it helps us do such lovely, easy trading. Wish I had found it when I first started trading. But anyway, let's go to the charts and just look at what the market is doing. By the way, it's been crazy madness Hope you guys are selling like I suggested in the last video. But let's go over to the chart and see where it's at today. All right, guys, so we are on the chart. So if you guys, if you didn't catch my last video, I was discussing about, you know, the fact that, hey, we've been moving up in the markets for like the last 10 years or something. We are so overdue for a correction, actually a recession. So in the last video, I was showing how we had this beautiful trend down. We got this low. Then we got a push up, first entry, push up. I said we had this second entry short that was working because this bar was already here. So right here, I was telling everybody, last video, you can go back and look it up. I was telling everybody to go short because we could easily fall to 5,100. I was like, you think I might be crazy by saying that? And I went in that video and showed all the history, right? After I shot that video, we pushed up for 3 days. 1, 2, 3. This is the day chart I'm looking at. We pushed up for 3 days, but this day here has so much rejection. I don't know why the candle changed. This day actually closed as a falling hammer. I don't know why it's different now. It definitely closed as a falling hammer. This should be 3 red days in a row. Anywho, though, what I want to show is just a quick recap on the market cycle. Today, we're going to look at just a down market cycle. If you have never seen it, if you're new to this channel, I draw this all the time. If you hang around and subscribe, you will see it often. What we have here is the market cycle. Trend down, trend break, retest to new low. When this happens, this is what I call a market cycle. This is a complete market cycle. It has 2 legs. This here is leg 1. This is leg 2. This is the classic market cycle. And the center of the pattern is usually here where you would get a low, push up, first entry, push up, second entry short right around in this area. Bam. That's what we're normally looking for. Okay. Just a quick recap. And I just want to show you how it happened right here. You know, some people may have thought my call was luck. It's just price action. It's just price action. Trend down, trend break, retest the new low. Let me do that again. And let me show it here first. Remember I said it's trend down, trend break, retest new low. This is the regular market cycle. It happens all the time. Let's come over here so you can see it a little better. Trend down, trend break, retest the new low. That's the market cycle. Can you see it? Trend down, trend break, retest the new low. Can you see it? This is the market cycle. This happens over and over again throughout the day. Every day, this is how we trade our price action. This is lovely. It's very easy. This is easy for beginners. It's easy for seasoned veterans. You see, I only have one indicator on the chart, and all I'm doing is looking for this pattern, all right? So after we get this first leg, what are we looking for? We're looking for a measured move of the same distance. Do you guys think we got it? Right? This is a follower from last, this video is gonna come out, well, before I say that, do you think we got it, right? This is a follow-up from my last video. When you get a leg, when you get that first leg of the pattern, you're always expecting another leg of the same distance. Do you think we got it today? Well, let's see. Here's the leg 2. Let me get right on that price. And by golly, Miss Molly, we made it. We are at 51.41. And I caught it. I caught it when we were right here. We pushed up. And then bam, we got there. That's price action. That's the market cycle. Let me show it to you again. Trend, let me show it to you again, my friends. Trend down, trend break, retest to new low. If you can find that pattern, you can start to win in the market today. It's just that simple. I mean, today. So hey guys, I hope you guys are picking up what I'm putting down, man. Daily payouts, baby. Best thing since they put pockets in pants. I'm trying to tell you, man, to be able to snatch that money off every day as you need it in this type of market condition with this type of recession about to go down, and we know what to do. Sell, sell, sell some more. I mean, we dropped 300 points today, people. We dropped 300 points today. Now, the awesome thing is this. Let me go back to the charts real quick, show you something real awesome. Here's the awesome thing, people, that I'm putting y'all up on game on. The market cycle happens all the time. Here's the other part to that, though. Once you have a complete market cycle, like once you have a trend down, trend break, retest new low, this market cycle is over. So we would expect a reversal to where we start pushing back up, trend break, retest. Now, here's the thing about this situation. We ain't a mile away from the EMA. We are states away currently from the EMA. Today, it's actually Friday at 2:20 p.m. right now. I'm not gonna actually release this video until Sunday morning. Therefore, I'm actually gonna give everybody a shot to go long right here. We are states away from the EMA and we have a complete market cycle. So now we should pull back a little bit. I mean, we should pull back 50% of this. I'll put a fib on this sucker right now. We should pull back at least 50% of this and then bam. So my next play would be long, get back up to this EMA. As soon as I hit that EMA, I'll be looking to go short again. That would be my next play. And that right there may take a week to happen, a week or 2 weeks. But this is good news for you right now that I'm putting this video out today. Cause hey, I was 2 legs down. If we get 2 legs up, that's a lot of money for you, my friend. All right, so hey, check it out, listen. Price action is where it's at. If you notice, I'm looking at this on a day chart. Although I trade on tick charts, lower tick charts, price action is everywhere. You can analyze the market from whatever chart you want, right? I just like to do the day chart because it gives me a feel of what's going on long term. But hey, I knew to sell 2 days ago. All right, and yes, I made really good money on this drop. So check it out. Check it out. You're in the right place, learning the right stuff. All right. Go with Take Profit Trader. That would be my suggestion. Go with Take Profit Trader. And I actually have them in the guide because they are a big part of my business model, right? I'm kind of planting my flag on them. So I hope they stay legit. They're great. Customer service has been great. The payouts have been great. So I hope me and Take Profit Trader are going to have a very, very, very long and lucrative relationship. So join us. I'm trying to tell you. And if you need help to pass a funded challenge, I'm trying to tell you, grab my free guide, Finally Funded. Comment below. Give me the guide. And we're going to send that right over to you, all right? So until next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye.